Hey guys, give me a sec. Okay. This is today's gym fit. Not that anyone cared, but I'm just showing y'all anyways. Yeah, I feel like when I'm talking to somebody on FaceTime, I move quicker. Am I the only one? Am I the only one? Like, I feel like I'm moving. So this is our gym fit. It's looking pretty cutesy. We are gonna go lift some weights. Okay, first things first. We need to. So how is everyone doing? I have a pimple here and it's annoying. We have a milk toner because we love milk. We love the absorption. Okay, it's getting pretty hot. Give me a sec. Yeah. You guys are basically here to keep me accountable. I am looking for a workout buddy. So if they're hi Gurpaj Togil. So after the toner, I like using the Propolis Beauty by Johnson. Beauty by Johnson serum. This keeps my skin very glowy. Also guys, me and Danica are thinking of collaborating for a post. Are thinking of collaborating for a post. What do you guys think we should do? We're gonna do a mukbang on her channel, but on my channel, what do you guys think we should do? I was proposing spill or eat your guts, but she was like, girl, no. So what do you guys think we should do? I'm using this nail cream from Deopros. I used to use the CosRX, but this has Volufill, which like makes the skin plump, and it's like basically Botox in a bottle. Guys, I'm just wondering, what are you guys doing? Like, how are you guys here on my live? Not that I'm complaining, and then I'm gonna use this U Beauty eye cream, and then my favorite sunscreen for the face is Fairy Skin. go to Pretty Huge. Naliligo ka po ba? I'm not gonna lie. Today, hindi pa ako naliligo. Because magja-gym ako. Tapos maliligo ako after. So ano, mag-aaksaya na lang ng sabon. And then, lastly, let's not forget to put petroleum on the lips. Nice. And then I'm gonna use this fake. I'm gonna shower afterwards. Conserve water. Shower twice a day, not 3 times a day. And then I want to do light. I'm gonna do light makeup, like this invisible cheek tint. Buy your gym wear. Halo-halo eh. Like these shorts. These shorts are from Shein. The jacket is from Lazada, I think. And then the top, this top is from Nike. For gym tops, the best talaga yung mga known brands. Leggings, I don't mind getting elsewhere, but yeah, the gym stuff, the gym tops, I wouldn't recommend buying them from thank you. It's the NYX Skin. NYX Skin. Are you familiar with NYX Skin? It's like a local brand. Alam nyo ba, I'm so impressed because 90% of my makeup is Filipino brand. Legit. Like, dati, wala akong ni isang Filipino makeup except for lip and cheek tint. Ngayon, lahat sila. Local na. Guys, I have a question. And genuinely, let me know. What content do you want to see more from me? Like, I want to know your thoughts. Like, I want to know your thoughts. Pilot content. What else? Daily life. Anong tingin nyo dun sa ginagawa ko? Living Alone series. Is that considered daily life? This one is Everlasting Stain. Like, ang long-lasting niya. Kasi, gusto ko ng mga sobrang long-lasting na lip tint. So, dalawa yung nakadiscover ko. Perry Daily at saka Everlasting Stain. Tapos, I wanna try Happy Skin because there's so much good reviews about it. Pero pansin ko kasi parang nagka-crack siya sa lips. Like, nagsistay sa dry patches. What do you guys think? I'm not from Makati. This filter is just weird. There. Lagi ko ng give me a sec. Where are my shoes? Okay, so technique ko, pag may nakakamdaman ako na nalagay ko na agad siya dun. I'm guessing my shoes are upstairs. Okay, guys. Tell me, what do you guys think of like my living alone content? Tell me. Where are my shoes? There. So, my program for today is legs because it's Monday. I do legs Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then I'm gonna do whole body Tuesday and Thursday, and then I'm gonna do arms Saturday, like upper body be Saturday. That is the schedule that we're trying to commit to. There. Anyway, someone asked kung kamusta na yung nanny ko and if she lives with me. No, she doesn't. She does come here sometimes, because sometimes I just can't be bothered cleaning, you know. What else? But I am gonna hire my own nanny because, yeah, I just feel like nag-share kasi kami ni mommy. Tapos parang mas okay na meron akong sarili. Because ang hirap nung pumupunta siya pabalik-balik palitan. And you must be wondering, like, why do you need a nanny? Guys, I don't know. Cleaning is a chore for me. It's such a task. And like, I use my brain and think most of the time within the day. So like, yung onting oras na natitira sa into cleaning, yung onting oras na natitira sa akin, I would want to put it into cleaning. And yeah, I really need help. Kasi like, meron nagsabi, bakit may nag-judge and mag-bash sa akin before. Kasi I used to go to events with my nanny. It's parang like, bida-bida daw ako kasi nagdala pa ako ng yaya. Kasi naman, sa events, syempre like, minsan marami akong dala. Mas hindi aesthetic sa photo na may malaki akong dala, tapos like, nag-video ako. Or like, minsan, I feel hiya to ask the other content creators to take a video of me kasi they're all obviously working as well, doing their own thing. So yun, nagdadala ako ng nanny para may tumulong sa akin. And you're right, thank you for letting me know that I don't need to feel shame about asking for help. Okay, so what else am I missing? Yeah, I think we're good. At saka like, whenever I go home, I just want to go home into a clean space after working all day. Like, I want to appreciate this apartment. So, yun. Wala po akong province eh. Okay. Last look. Final look. Kasi alis na ako. Larga! There's the final look. Are we good? Oh yeah, don't forget your water. Aw, ang sweet. Wala kasi akong boyfriend, so walang nagpapaalala sa akin na ng mga ganyang bagay. Thank you for reminding me. You're so sweet. Hala, bare minimum. Hala. Okay, let's fill up my water bottle. Guys, gusto ko bumili ng maliit na water bottle. Nalalakihan ako dito. Even though this is like the basic 1 liter, is it? Or 500? I want like yung small, yung 350 ml. Anyway, ang pinaka gusto ko malaman is feedback. Ano pong feedback nyo? Anong feedback niyo sa mga post ko and what do you guys wanna see more from me? And I'm planning to collab with my content creator friends. So, let me know, please. Thank you. I know, right? Wala pa akong aesthetic na na ice maker. Gusto ko nga bumili nun yung ice maker machine. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Well, I don't really do the cleaning. My nanny does the cleaning. But I do the cooking. Okay. Hala, ang corny. Nakaka-irit. Nakaka-irit ang sarap suntukin. Charot. Fudge. I'm so clumsy, by the way. I don't know if you guys know about that. Okay. Ayoko pa kayo iwan, pero it's been a long day without you, my friend. Kailangan ko kayong iwan. Bye, guys. Please let me know on the DMs. I will literally read it. What feedback on like my living alone series. And what you guys want to see from me more. And last, anong gusto nyong gawin namin ni Danica? Mukbang na sa kanya So sa akin, where the hell is my coffee stud? Meron akong sobrang daming coffee stud from Harlan & Holden. I want to bring, ayun. Alright. Bye guys, this is for real. DM me what you guys think, feedback, and all of that. You can all ulitin, alam niyo na yan. Bye!